If Google Chrome is not updating automatically on your phone, don't worry. This is usually caused by auto-update settings being turned off in the Play Store. Let me show you how to fix it step by step. First, open Google Chrome on your phone. Now tap the three dots in the top right corner. From the menu, tap on Settings. Scroll down a little and open Safety Check. Here, Chrome will check if your browser is updated, secure, and running properly. If Chrome says it's up to date, but it still isn't updating automatically in the future, here's what you need to do next. Open the Google Play Store on your phone. Search for Google Chrome and open the app page. Now tap the three dots in the top right corner of the Play Store page. You'll see an option called Enable Auto Update. Make sure that option is checked or turned on. Once enabled, Chrome will automatically download future updates whenever new features, bug fixes, or security updates are released. This helps keep your browser faster, safer, and more stable without needing to manually update it every time.